You're watching Ashura Now Sudan. Today I'm back again with healthy living and wellness. And today we are going to talk about how to decorate your space, how to make your space really look great, and think about how to incorporate some of the things you have from your garden and things you already have. So you already know it's now springtime and it's time for bulbs. Here I have some bulbs from the market and they really look great. However, I have some herbs too. These herbs have been here and I don't have so much food to use them with, but today I'm going to show you how to make a flower arrangement using your existing herbs, fresh or dried herbs, with tulips. So we are going to start, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the tulips. Open up my bunch of tulips. You know, most of you will be wondering in your own cities where you can buy bulbs like tulips. Here in the Netherlands we grow tulips, so they are very easy to come along. One of our favorite known flowers, so they are very easy to come about, especially in spring. You can plant them, and if you haven't seen a video of how to plant or buy your bulbs, please click over here and check out that video. And I'm going to show you how I cut my tulips one by one and how I use them for decoration. So what I'm going to do here is I am going to cut my tulips very short, because as you can see here I have a short vase which I really love, and I want to use this vase for this tulip. However, adding some herbs is also really great, but when you buy tulips they're very expensive. But have you ever tried planting your own tulips? Maybe you can save some money by planting your own tulips and get them from your own garden. It will really save you lots of time and you will really enjoy it. I'm going to use one other vase, this. As you can see, it's not so difficult to make your own flower arrangement using tulips and herbs. So once you have your tulips here, you just have to add some of the herbs that you really like. This is how you can incorporate your herbs that you don't know what to do with some fresh flowers, and these are the tulips and the hearts, and this really looks great. You have some dried lavender. I'm not using it at the moment. Just put a few tulips around it and you have a herbal flower arrangement. For most of you who have been wondering on how to incorporate your herbs, dried up herbs that you don't know what to do with, you can use this idea. Here I have some dried up herbs, and there's a lavender. I harvested some lavender last year and I tied it on a string while we're going into the winter, and it's been in my kitchen and it's been smelling great. But now it's spring and I have new lavender in my garden, so I want to use these lavender flowers, dried up flowers, in my fresh flowers. So these fresh flowers tulips don't really smell so there's no smell with these tulips, but the lavender is fragrant and I love a fragrant bouquet. So this flower arrangement is very easy to make. You can use all the things you can, and don't be scared to mix all the things you can find in your house or your garden. You know, it's not so difficult to make something out of nothing. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for the support, and it's nice to see you here. Don't forget to check out our online store to purchase something in order to support this channel. And that was it. See you soon, and